Hi guys, in this video let's see how to make biryani in South Indian style. So let's marinate the chicken. This is half kilo chicken. For that we will add this biryani masala, turmeric powder, red chili powder, dahi, and we'll add some salt. Now mix it properly. So after mixing it properly, we will keep this aside for some time. So this is like 250 grams of rice. I've washed it nicely in water. Now we will soak this rice for some time. It will make it easier to cook. Yeah, keep it aside. And let me show you the ingredients also. So we have 2 onions, big size onions, medium sized tomatoes, 3 pieces, green chilies, we have mint here, and this is coriander leaves. So we will grind this all. So I have roughly sliced the onions. See, this much size is enough. Now we will paste it nicely in the grinder. So the onion paste is ready. Now we will grind these green chilies, mint. I have washed it nicely, and coriander leaves. So green chilies, mint and coriander leaves paste is ready. Now we will make this tomato puree. So tomato puree is ready. All the ingredients are ready. Now we will start our cooking. So let's start our cooking. I have taken a thick pot. The vessel should be thick so the spices and the masala won't burn easily. So we will add this ghee. We will wait for the ghee to heaten up. The oil is heated up. Now we will add these fresh spices. Stir it nicely. Now add this 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. After adding the ginger garlic paste, now add the onion paste. And mix it nicely. Fry it till the onion turns in brown color. So the onion is cooking nicely. Now we will add this green chilies, mint, coriander leaves paste. Mix it nicely. So we will fry it till the raw smell of mint leaves and coriander leaves goes away. It's been like 2-3 minutes. Now we will add this tomato puree. Mix it nicely. after adding tomato, we will add some salt. But remember that while marination, we have added the salt. So add the salt accordingly. So we have to cook it till the oil gets separated from the masalas. It's cooking nicely. Now we will add some masalas. This is biryani masala. 1 tablespoon of biryani masala. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And little bit haldi powder. And stir it well. All the masalas are cooked well. See, it looks so beautiful. Now we are going to add the marinated chicken. Mix it well with the masalas. After mixing it nicely, we will cook the chicken in the masalas for some time. Cover it and we will wait for it to cook. As the chicken is getting cooked, we will add some chicken masala to enhance the flavor. Mix it nicely. And we will cook it in a medium flame. It's been like 15 minutes. So now we will add the rice. This is the soft rice. You should mix it very nicely. So we have mixed the rice with the masalas and chicken properly. Now we will add hot water. Use hot water only. So don't add lots of water because we have already soaked the rice. We will cook the rice till the water gets dry, and please cook it in a low flame. We have cooked the rice like 15 minutes. As you can see, the water is dry. Let me show you. Just don't stir it much, otherwise the rice will break. It's done. See, the color is so nice and the aroma is also so good. I can't wait to eat this. So our biryani is done. Now we are going to have this. Now let's serve the biryani. Chicken leg piece. One of my favorite chicken leg piece. Now it's ready to eat. So our recipe is done and it's time to eat. It looks so tasty. One of my favorite chicken leg piece. Let's taste it. It's so delicious and I hope that you like watching this video. Please try this recipe and do let me know how is it. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification icon, and also please do comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.